Mga ka-shopping, today maganda ang pag-uusapan natin. With all the eating and drinking this merry month of December, we need something to ensure our bodies na we're still taking care of them. But not just for this month, every time, syempre, we need to have healthy mind and body. Show Up TV Live has found new healthy best friends for all of you and will be knowing more of them now. And joining us today again is Mayor Pharmacist, Mr. Ron Go. Hi, Ron.
Hi, Pam.
Ron, for starters, this cold month of December has been hard on my legs and skin. Ako, nadadry na ang skin ko. And maraming women can also relate to this. Are there anything we can do to elevate us of this condition?
Oo naman, Fem. Meron tayong nahanap na product to help women with their problems. This is Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsule.
Okay.
So, it came from the Evening Primrose plant. It is named as such kasi yung flower niya, it blooms only at night.
Oh, wow.
So, it contains essential fatty acids like gamma-linoleic acid and linoleic acid.
In short, fatty acids.
Yes.
But what are gamma-linoleic acid and linoleic acid, which is, yun nga, fatty acids?
Yes, so as mentioned, they are fatty acids and they are precursors of prostaglandin. So, yung prostaglandin kasi is hormone-like substances that is involved in body functions, different body functions.
And it will regenerate our
So, another thing about
skin.
fatty acids is that hindi siya nasisynthesize ng katawan natin.
Okay.
So, kailangan talaga ng outside source.
Okay.
One of which is Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsule.
So, Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsule can help me and lots of women out there with our leg ache problems. That's such a great news kasi lagi ako naka-heels. So, ano rin ang explanation dun sa legs? Like, Primrose will help the muscle?
Yes, yung prostaglandin kasi as mentioned nga, yun yung magiging ganon yung essential fatty acid, magiging prostaglandin. And yung prostaglandin is responsible for the relaxation and contraction of the muscles.
Ang sarap nun Parang gusto ko na mag-take. But aside from what you've mentioned, what else can Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsule can do for women?
So aside from that, marami pa. Meron effect. It relieves the symptoms of premenstrual tension and menopausal discomfort. It also helps in cervical ripening, mastalgia, and it also helps in diabetic neuropathy.
Wow, that's a lot. But I'm curious with what you just mentioned because I'm not really familiar with some of them. For starters, I'm so relieved that at least now we know that Dr. Smith's Primrose Oil Capsule can help girls and women like me with their premenstrual and menstrual discomfort. Nako, ang hirap talaga when you're working, and a lot of women get yung dysmenorrhea or mahirap mag-function kasi for women. And how does Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil help naman with our skin? Like, let's say, eczema.
Yung eczema kasi, it's a condition characterized by flaking, and scaling, tas magkakaroon din ng itchiness. So there's been studies na yung Evening Primrose Oil alleviates those symptoms of eczema.
Wow, ang dami na talaga. But how about for diabetic neuropathy?
Yes,
Neuropathy.
Yung diabetic neuropathy kasi yun yung nararamdaman ng mga diabetics.
Okay.
Na hindi na nila nararamdaman yung mga extremities nila. So minsan nagsusugat sila, gano'n din nila nararamdaman. So again, yung Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules, binabalik nila yung sense of feeling dun sa mga extremities na.
And the other one is cervical ripening.
Cervical ripening.
Okay.
Yung Evening Primrose Oil has also been used for yung mga nagdadalang tao.
Oh,
so para mabilis lumabas yung bata. So pagkabuanan na nila, nagagamit na natin yung Evening Primrose Oil para makalabas na yung bata or hindi mahirapan yung mga mommies natin na ilabas yung babies nila.
So, but you still have to consult your doctor.
Of course,
with that.
of course.
Okay, nako, this is super good news for our mga ka-shopping. Who knows na anyone who has this mga condition, malaking tulong ang mabibigay ng Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules. But how about mastalgia?
So yung mastalgia naman, it's characterized by breast pain. No? And it's related to the menstrual cycle.
Nako, ang dami ko na natututunan sa'yo. Now, I'm really glad you're here to share the wonders of Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil, especially for us women. mabuti na iniingatan yung ating mga very sensitive areas like our breasts. We also know more and more Pinays are suffering from breast cancer. Kaya dapat lang we find ways to help improve our health to prevent such diseases from happening. Buti na lang we found this new best friend. Speaking of female concerns, Ron, I hope you don't mind na isisingit ko lang to. I just want to invite you mga ka-shopping to please help support Shop TV Live's fight against breast cancer. Shop TV Live has joined forces with Bosom Buddies and Carewell Community. Kaya, we hope you can support the cause by ordering this cute and comfy micro beads infused pink ribbon pillows for only 350 pesos. If you buy one now, you get one free. For each order, 50 pesos goes to these foundations to help increase breast cancer awareness among the Filipinos. Please give us a call, 817-7000. Get your pink ribbon pillows now. That's 817-7000. Ron, as an expert on the field of medicine, everyone should always remember that it's not right and safe na inumin lang ng yung mga gamot nila or supplements without consulting our doctors. Are there any precautionary measures we need to consider before taking Dr. Smith's?
So, of course, as with other food supplements na laganap na rin ngayon, no, kailangan talaga nating mag-consult muna sa doctor before taking them regularly.
Especially for pregnant women.
Yes, that's true.
Kailangan laging i-consult ang ating doctors. But of course, how much is Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Capsule?
Okay. Our mga ka-shopping may purchase at Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules for 650 pesos per box. But it's better if our mga ka-shopping gets the special package of 2 boxes and they get a free gift. Each box contains 100 capsules. And if you get 2 boxes, it's priced at 1,300 pesos. And the free gift is this one. It's the Mayor's Travel Pack. It's a medicine kit na super handy. So, maganda kung palaging nasa bags natin to. So, para sa mga travelers, mga mommies, may instant relief for the kids and for everyone, no? And the products inside is safe and effective.
And ano yung mga laman ng ating free pack from Mayor?
Yes, so meron tayong Mayor Paracetamol, Mayor Loperamide, Mayor Carbocysteine, Mayor Mefenamic Acid, and Mayor Ascorbic Acid.
Wow.
Kaya sobrang better talaga pag binili ng mga ka-shopping natin yung package natin. So it comes with this free Mayor Travel Pack.
Yay! Naku, may free gift pa talaga. Ayan mga ka-shopping, it's always a good feeling whenever we discover a new product best friend to help improve ourselves, especially our health. The Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules is indeed a supplement that will help most of us, especially tayong mga girls, in maintaining that well-conditioned body. The Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules has fatty acids that will help our body control its blood pressure, better muscle control, and helps lessen inflammation. It also gives improvement to eczema, mastalgia, diabetic neuropathy, tama ba?
Yes.
How do you pronounce?
Diabetic neuropathy.
And premenstrual and menstrual discomfort and cervical ripening. Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules really is a very wonderful health supplement. And Shop TV Live offers the Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules at an exclusive special price package of 1,300 pesos. That includes 2 boxes of Dr. Smith's Evening Primrose Oil Capsules and a free gift.